friends, in this video we will see how to change very small numbers in scientific notations. In the first video we have seen that general form of scientific notation of a number is a into 10 to the power n, where a is less than 10 and greater than equal to 1 and n is a positive or a negative integer. So how to change very small numbers in scientific notation? Before going to see that, we will discuss a concept. For that I am taking an example, that is 3.4192 multiplied by 100. So we are finding here the result is 341.92. Here we are finding the decimal is shifted towards right side 2 places. Decimal is shifted towards right side 2 places. So what is the key we are finding here? The number was multiplied by 100 and 100 contains 2 zeros. That's why the decimal is shifted towards right side 2 places. Another example we can see by another example. Example is 6.9421. If it is multiplied by 1000, so we are finding the result is 6942.1. Here we are finding the decimal is shifted towards right side 3 places. Decimal is shifted towards right side 3 places. So what is the key? 1000 contains 3 zeros. That's why the decimal shifted towards right side 3 places. Now, how to use this concept in changing the small numbers in scientific notation? Let's see. First of all, we will see the example, that is 0.000342. So what is the task we have to see here? We are interested to shift the decimal. We are interested to shift the decimal after 3. That means we have to shift the decimal by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 places. We have to shift the decimal 4 places. If we are interested to shift the decimal 4 places, so we have to multiply this number by 10,000. So number is 0.000342. If we are multiplying the number by 10,000, so the decimal will shift towards right side 4 places. If we are multiplying the number by 10,000, so it is necessary to divide the number by 10,000 also. So by the above multiplication, we are finding the result is 3.42 and the denominator is 10 to the power 4. If we are going to change this number in scientific notation, so it should be 3.42 into 10 raised by minus 4. So what is the target to shift the decimal towards the right side? We are going to shift the decimal towards right side 4 places. That's why we have multiplied the number by 10,000. This multiplication will give us A, and that has already. This multiplication will give us A, and that is, we have seen already that it has given 3.42. So multiplication will give us A, and the denominator will give us a to 10 to the power n. Now let's see in the second example. The number is 0.00942. We have to shift the decimal towards the right side 3 places. If we are interested to shift the decimal towards right side 3 places, so we have to multiply the number by 1000. So it is necessary to divide the number by 1000 also. So the above product will creates the result 9.42, that is A, because the scientific notation should be in the form of A into 10 to the power n. So above multiplication is creating A. Now the denominator is 10,000, that can be written as 10 to the power 3. Now the scientific notation is 9.42 into 10 raised by minus 3. Now we can see another example. Suppose a number is 0, 0.00, suppose 4 zeros, 917. Now we are interested to shift the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the number by 1 with 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also we have to divide the number by 1 with 5 zeros. So the result of the upper multiplication is 9.12, that is A, and the denominator is 10 raised by 5. Now the scientific notation is 9.12 into 10 raised by minus 5. So what is the shortcut? What is the shortcut we are finding here? Let's discuss about the shortcut. In the third example, the question was 0.40912. Now the scientific notation is 9.12 into 10 raised by minus 5. We have seen that decimal is shifted towards right side 5 places. Decimal shifted towards right side 5 places. If decimal is shifting towards right side, so the index of the 10 must be negative. If decimal is shifting towards right side 5 places, so index of the 10 must be minus 5. That is the short key of changing a very small number in scientific notation. Very small number, decimal is always shifting towards right side. That's why the index of the 10 should be negative. If decimal is shifting 7 times towards right side, so index of the 10 must be minus 7. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks.